Simple as simple can be. Then you're gonna put the SSD in here. I already have mine in here, but we're gonna go through the reverse process on this. Super easy. Got 4 screws on each corner. Has a little tab right here, like a little rubber grommet. You're just gonna tug on that slowly and be careful not to pull on this cable, because that is the cable for your hard drive. And it's as simple as just pushing in the SSD here and making sure that it goes up with the ribbon cable. And it's as simple as that. We'll just close it back up, go into our disk management, and we'll set it up. Setting up the drive is as easy as just going to your start button, and we're gonna right click on it, go to disk management. Once you're in the disk management, you'll see your disk here. It'll say unallocated and it should be black. You'll just put right click and then new volume. You'll give it a letter, you'll give it a name, let Windows do its thing. It'll automatically bring it into NTFS system, which is the native Windows file system. But if you need to partition, then that's a whole different thing. But if you want to just make use of the whole drive, once it's activated and formatted, it should pop up. And to make sure that everything's okay, you'll go into File Explorer. And if you go down to this PC, it should show you whatever drive you added at whatever name. I have several drives connected to mine, but this was the one that was added in. And it's that simple, folks. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.